guys, welcome to Satisfying Slimes. Today's video we'll be showing you how to make, we'll be testing out this internet hack where you use a pad or a diaper to make instant snow slime. So the first step is that we're going to make the slime using some glue.
So here we're using Elmer's white glue, and we're going to start by adding it into our bowl. So there, as you see, we've been adding our Elmer's glue, and it looks pretty good. I think that's enough. So we looked at the recipe, and it says your slime should be hard, and you need to overactivate. Overactivate basically means it's supposed to be hard. So you can add some food coloring if you want. So what color are we gonna do today?
Let's do. I really don't know. Do you want to do orange? Yeah, let's do orange.
So we decided. We're gonna decide to do a pastel. A pastel color, which is we're gonna do pastel orange.
When you use white glue, it's almost always pastel because the glue is white after all.
Oh, they kind of turned into face, like two eyes and going.
Oh yeah.
That's so cute. So the best part of it is mixing, because look how crazy awesome that looks. Mixing all the food coloring in.
This is not the color we were going for, so we're just going to
It's a nice corally pink, so we're going to leave it like that because it's kind of a beautiful color. It's a coral pink, not exactly pink. Why are you adding more yellow food coloring?
Because.
So wait, we decided to add more yellow food coloring, I guess. And yeah, but turn more into an orange. It's like orangey yellow coral. Who cares? It's going to turn lighter.
It's a very pretty pastel, actually, orange.
So then now we're gonna add in our activator, and we're supposed to over activate this slime. So here we got activator in an Elmer's glue bottle. It's tied. So there we added our tied in, and we're mixing. So we made some couple earlier slimes, and if you want us to do a slime smoothie with all of them, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And if we get to 100 subscribers, viewers,
we'll make a giant slime smoothie.
We'll make a giant slime smoothie. So this is just the activity table. I'm just talking to you while she mixes it. Adding some more activator.
So the good thing is with the slimes, you don't actually have to be good at it, because if you overactivate it, that's good. As you can see, the slime's already forming to the size of the bowl, which is what you look for when you're making slime.
So now we're gonna need it.
Actually, nah, it's not that overactivated.
So then we're gonna add more activator. Haha.
Until it's like this rubbery thing. We find it much easier to control how much activator you put in when it's in a bottle.
Yep, so yeah, we find that if it's in a bottle, a squeezy bottle, it works better. As you also see, we've also put our our water in an Elmer's glue bottle.
Because it's just much easier. And also, if you use a big container like this, you're probably going to end up over-activating your slime, which you do not want.
Nope. We do not want that.
So I'm pretty sure this slime is done. It's actually just a normal slime at the moment. It's not over-activated. But we're going to take it out and start to knead it and add more activator.
So she's going to be taking over for the camera. Oh.
We just had to have a slight camera change.
And so, yep. So it's not exactly overactivated. It's more of underactivated.
Yeah.
It's still sticky, so we're going to add some more. But it's a beautiful orange, guys. It's kind of neon-y. Wait, that was weird. Okay. Now we're adding a lot of activated. I think that's enough. And I think we got some on a platform thingy. And then we're gonna
move the slime more up. It's not in the camera.
And there. So it looks pretty good now. We're liking it. It's kind of stringy. So this is exactly what you want, guys.
You just have to knead it for a bit now.
Until it turns not foamy like how it is now. So I'm just kneading it.
So basically with this hack, what you do is you get the stuff out of a diaper or a pad, and you soak it in water. And apparently it makes instant snow, which you can put in your slime.
But before that, you have to cut open, and you get like these particle type stuff. So I'm not sure if it works, but we're excited to try it.
That's why this video exists. To test it out so you guys don't have to waste any supplies when trying to do this.
Oh.
So I am going to grab a wipe actually because the table's getting quite messy. Yeah. Never mind. I don't know where the
So
wipes
it's a super nice neon color, and it's overactivated, guys. So I'm adding a little more activator, and then it'll be super overactivated. Here, as you can see, it's
so this is actually
over.
perfect consistency right now.
And we're just, so once it's like that, like this really type slime.
That's exactly what you were looking for.
Exactly. Sorry, my finger came in for that second, but now it's all back to normal. And my finger came back again.
So this is actually a really nice slime right now. It's not that overactivated, but that's okay.
So now the next part of the slime process,
we're going to just put this aside.
making the instant snow. This is the funnest part.
We're going to put this slime aside.
Right over there in our slime stash.
So what you're going to need is a bowl of water that's big enough to soak basically your whole pad in. We just have a normal pad here. And you want the pad part to be sticking down into the water. So you just have to put it in and soak it.
So this might be weird, guys, using a pad. That's what the internet says. That's what a lot of videos did. We didn't really have a diaper at home, so why not use a pad? And the video said that a pad works too.
How long do you have to soak it for?
So you have to let it soak for a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Not exactly a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds more.
And while it's soaking up, you can see that it starts to get bigger, like that.
Wetter and moisture. So now we feel like it's taken up enough. We're gonna get it out of the thing.
In a second, actually. We're just gonna show you all the slimes. To give it a few more seconds.
We're gonna show you all the slimes we have over here if you're curious about it.
So first we have this one. It's just like a normal
birthday cake,
confetti
kind of metallic.
Yeah, it's almost pretty metallic, which is cool because Tide does this to your slime and makes it kind of metallic.
It's got a hint of blue glitter in there. Not sure if you saw it on camera.
And then we have this purple foam slime. It is so satisfying to poke. It just is one of my favorite slimes. When we did this, we accidentally overactivated it, but we just kept kneading it, and it turned into this beautiful slime.
So while Kiara was doing that, while that was happening, I felt like this slime was too overactivated. Too underactivated. So I decided to add some more activator. So here we're adding some more activator.
And we're just gonna mix it in. Because the more underactivated, the better the slime will be. So now it's that perfect rubbery slime kind of thing. Don't knead it too much, otherwise it'll turn back into a normal, good slime. We're just gonna play with it for a bit.
And while she's playing with it, I'm gonna continue. So where do you leave off?
I left off on this one. Don't show that slime.
So this one, guys, is it's a weird slime, guys. It's super nice and jiggly, and we're back now, and we feel like our pad's soaked enough, and we're gonna get it out and we're gonna cut it.
So next, what you'll need is some scissors. We have some of these kitty scissors right here, but that's okay.
We couldn't find any poppet scissors, so why not use kitty scissors?
So we're gonna grab this. As you can see, it's very poofy, and look, all the water is literally in the pad.
Disappeared. So this is kind of a pad advertisement, I think, showing that pads can absorb a lot of water. And you have to make a slight cut in the pad, and you have to tear it open and get all those beady stuff into your bowl.
So basically, I'm going to cut this open while she shows you all of our other slimes.
So, yep, so she's cutting it and I'm showing you the slimes. So yeah, that's kind of a super nice, glittery, interesting type slime. So, see.
Where should I put the stuff? Oh, whoa.
In a bowl.
Whoa, look at it. So look at the camera here.
So if you look at the camera, I can't move the camera more forward. You get all these weird snow, fake, artificial beads. And it's so cool because they melt in your hand into this powdery, weird substance.
Now our table is all wet. That's okay.
So we're taking our overactivated slime that's super snappy, as you see. There's a big fat hole in there.
And we're taking out all this instant snow.
All the instant snow, and we're getting all of it out.
Until we're just left with the cotton part.
So we're pulling all the beads out. There's still a lot in there, so both of us...
They feel so nice on your hands. I would totally recommend this.
Okay, so once we're doing that, we're going to mix it into our slime.
There's actually a lot of it here, which is okay. So I'm just going to put this part back in there. This is like literal snow.
This is cotton, though. Isn't it?
This stuff
You have to get the beads out. See the beads. So then we discovered that that was a lot of cotton, and we can only put the beads into the slime. So we're separating the cotton from the beads.
I'll put the cotton part in here.
And we're putting the cotton parts in the bowl. And there. So it turned, I don't know what this is turning to, honestly, guys. It's not slime, and I'm going to hand it over to the next person who's going to be needing it. Wait, there's still a lot of foamy stuff in there. So I found more beads in that cotton pile.
There's actually a lot of beads. And so I guess you're supposed to like mix this in. I'm not sure how this will work.
And if you don't feel like this is enough, we're going to add some more patty, whatever this icky weird stuff is. So we're not kind of getting it to mix anymore, so I'm going to come in and help Nita. Wow, she's going to be filming.
Never mind.
Never mind, because her hands are dirty. My hands are dirty too, but one hand is clean. So we're needing...
Actually, it's kind of working, to be honest. But this isn't that instant snow slime that you see with the real instant snow powder. Maybe if we mix this
And it's a gigantic mess. So
we're going to try mixing cotton into the slime just to see what happens. If you'd like to see that, go to our next video. And thank you guys for watching.
So this wasn't exactly a fail because it did turn kind of cloudy. But look at our next video to see whether it actually turned into a fail or not.